So who's in with me taking this DVD player apart? Because I know I'm into it. So let's find out what's going on with it, okay? Alright. First off, I'm taking the Phillips head. Taking off the sides here. Let's see here, right here. Okay, there's one bolt coming off. There we go. Yes, my trusty dusty bolt bucket. Even though it's an old kitty litter box, but hey, it's a great thing to store bolts in, right? Yeah, good. To me, it's actually a good idea to do. It also, you can plugs up as many bolts and stuff out of it, in it, and scrap it. Because the more bolts you get, the more pounds you get, the more money you get.